antiseptics and disinfectants. Difference between these two chemicals, antiseptic and disinfectants. One important question. In this video, we discuss about the difference between antiseptic and disinfectant, how antiseptic differs from disinfectant. So watch this video up to the end, and before starting this video lecture, I would like to remind you that if you do not subscribe this channel, then subscribe it now and press the bell button to get this type of more videos. What is the topic? The difference between antiseptic and disinfectant. Antiseptic chemicals, the definition of antiseptic chemicals. Antiseptic means the chemical substance that kills or prevents the growth of microorganism, and that is applied in the living tissue. Living tissue means in living tissue antiseptics are applied. But if we think about the definition of the disinfectant, disinfectants are the chemical substance that is used in the that is used to kill the microorganism, but these chemicals are not safe for the living tissues. So this is the definition, is the one difference. Definition says the difference between these two chemicals. When we talk about antiseptic, antiseptic kills the microorganism, but it cannot be antiseptics are applied in the living tissues. But if we talk about the disinfectant, disinfectants kill the microorganism, but it is not safe for the living tissues. It is applied for non-living things like floor, instruments. For non-living objects, the disinfectant chemicals are used. So this is the difference between the disinfectants and antiseptics. Both chemicals have the action of killing microorganisms, but the antiseptics used in the living tissues, but the disinfectants used in the non-living objects or non-living materials like the Dettol, Savlon. These are antiseptics. Hydrogen peroxide, potassium permanganate, these are called antiseptics. And disinfectants like phenol, sulfur dioxide. And one thing you have to note that the concentration of the chemical depends its action. Means if we talk about the 0.2% phenol, 0.2% phenol, 0.2% phenol solution, it is acting as an antiseptic, but 1% phenol, it is an antiseptic. But 1% phenol is a disinfectant. Okay, so action of chemical depends on the concentration of the chemical. When 0.2% phenol solution is taken, it is acting as an antiseptic. But when 1% phenol is taken, 1% phenol solution, that time it acts as disinfectant. So the action of the chemical depends on its concentration, and you need to understand this point well, that disinfectant chemical not safe for the living tissues, but the antiseptic is safe for the living tissues and is applied to the living tissues. In the wounded area, in the skin disease, or wounded area, this antiseptic is applied, but the disinfectant chemical is applied to clean the floor, to clean toilet, to clean bathroom. For these jobs we use disinfectants. and for wounded area, for cut area, and for you know for the face cream or face powder or some soaps, we use antiseptics, we use antiseptic chemicals. So these are the differences between the antiseptic and disinfectants. So I think you understand this topic, what are the main differences between the antiseptic and disinfectants. uh, so that's the discussion regarding this topic. If you have any question regarding this topic, then ask me in the comment section, I would answer your question. And don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell button to get this type of new video notification, new video upload notification. That's it. Thank you for watching this discussion.